Hi guys, I'm Jyoti Rola. Today I'm going to talk about Pilgrim brand, which is 100% vegan, gluten free, no animal tested, no paraben, no sulfur, no 20 toxic chemicals, and 100% safe, FDA approved. This is like a vegan, 100% vegan brand, and I have three products from there. I have a face wash, face mask, and face serum. So face serum is for oil controlling and acne. The face mask is Camilla and witch hazel, which is really give you a refreshing, and it they have a lot of benefits I'm going to use, and along with that I'm going to explain what it does. So the first product I am going to talk about is this. So the first product I am going to talk about is Pilgrim Secret of Jeju Island Salicylic and Galactic Acid Forming Face Wash. So this is a face wash which is like has a foam, and there is the benefits I'm going to talk about now. This product I am using is it does cleansing and resurfacing skin, fight the blemishes, and reduce the breakouts like which you get every second day. It reduces that all, which is really good. So I'm going to quickly show you how I use this product and what are the how I actually get the result with that. One pump is really too much for your face according to me. So I'm just going to rub into my hand and then on my face. So I have to rub for a circular motion. That's what they said, for 30 seconds. So I just washed my face. I'm going to powder or like pat dry. So my skin is really hydrated. It looks so fresh. You can see it is like really giving me all the thing which I was looking for a normal skin. The second product I am going to talk about is this. It's a face mask and the toner. It has White Lotus Natural Face Mask and Toner from Pilgrim. It's a secret of Jeju Island. It's all skin type, like anyone can use this product, and it's with the Camilla and the witch hazelnut. It is a really beautiful. I'm going to show you how this works. The pump is there, you have to press, then you will see a mist coming out. This is, and it is like a beautiful mist for all over your face thing. I really love the scent. I'm going to show you how it look on my face. I usually apply this product all over my face, like till my neck, but I'm wearing a full neck thing. So the benefits of this product is it hydrate your skin, like, and it nourish and improves the elasticity. You can apply this on your face and on your neck after cleansing your face. You have to use this product after you do the face wash. So I just did the cleaning which you just saw, so I'm going to use this product. It has an amazing scent, and it's really hydrating for my skin, which really. So this is how it look on my skin. It really make me feel refreshed, to be very honest, and hydrated, and it gave a really quick energy to my skin when I am like super dull. You can use this product any part of your day, like it's a face mask. This is my favorite product, the third one. It's a Pilgrim oil controlling serum. So the benefits of this product is the serum is minimizing your pores, brighten your skin, and prevent the acne. So these are the three stuff it does, and this is how the packaging is. It comes with the dropper, like you have to take 2 drops, 1 and 2 drops for like a before you go for sleep. If your skin is too dry, it's best for the oil skin. If your skin is super dry, after using this serum you need to use a moisturizer to cover it. I'm going to show you how I use this product. I use only like 1 drop or 2 drops. That's it. That's enough for my whole face, and I'm just going to apply on my skin like this. And now I'm going to leave this on my skin till that it absorb. It take few minutes to absorb in skin. Sometime it take 30 seconds to 60 seconds, but it is really beautiful, and it doesn't have any of the scent, any artificial scent. It's only natural scent which I'm getting. Like I have like so many scents around me. So this was the third product, and the benefit is really good. I am in love with the three of all products. It's not one which I love. I really like all the three products. So here are the three products which you just saw. It is amazing products. I really loved it. 100% vegan, natural. It really helped my skin to be resurfaced. It does a lot of benefits for my skin, which is really good. I have a coupon code with this brand. The coupon code is this. I'm going to write down here, and even I'll write down in the description. And along with that, the website name is www.discoverypilgrim.com. So you can order in the website with this coupon code, and you will get a 15% discount, which is really, really good. To be honest, this is one of my favorite product now, and I am actually using this product every single day. And that's it, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.